Hello guys, welcome to Smart Tech. Okay, good morning guys. So in this video shortly I'm going to show you guys how. Okay, sorry guys for that interruption. Okay, now I just want to show you guys another good platform under the Binance program. Now, okay, if you come to more, you actually see that you can get how to get crypto loans. Now this crypto loans is on Binance. You can actually get a loan. Okay, and their loan, the interest rate, it's very small. It's very small. Let's just check it out. Okay, click on crypto loans and okay, you want to borrow money. The only thing is that you need to have a collateral amount of the loan in BNB. You understand? So assuming now the main essence why this loan platform was established is okay, you are maybe investing in a particular cryptocurrency and you do not want to sell that token and you need money instantly. Maybe I have one Bitcoin and I do not want to sell my one Bitcoin, but I need money. You understand? All you just need to do is to make that your Bitcoin your collateral. Okay, you make that your BTC your collateral, then you borrow any amount of money you want in dollars. Or so for instance I want to borrow $1,000, okay, or let's say $10,000 dollars. Okay, the maximum amount is actually $3,000. So okay, let's say I want to borrow $3,000. Okay, it means I must have 194 BNB as collateral. Okay, now just look at the interest rate, how it is very cheap. Now look at the interest rate. Payback amount is about 3,005. So you see the interest is just $5. Is that not nice? This for 17 days. So imagine you want to get that money for 14 days. The interest is $140. For 90 days, that's about 3 months. You're just paying back $140. So it is very cheap. You understand? So this crypto loan is the best platform you can actually get the loan and you pay back. And the wonderful thing is that if you pay back, you can see we control. It is very convenient because when you pay back, they are going to deduct. Maybe you pay back early before the time, so the liquidity charge will be like calculated based on the amount of days you actually spent before paying the loan back. So this is just easy platform, another thing that Binance does to give you crypto loans. So very important. But make sure that you must have signed up, create get verified, and actually have some tokens inside that you can use as your collateral, because they actually have collateral. So thank you very much. For those interested in crypto loans, you can actually share this video to those who are interested in getting a crypto loan from Binance. Okay, thank you very much. Please like and subscribe my videos.